I know the weather is starting to change outside and you might be experiencing some changes in your skin as well. If you're on the drier side, you might be getting a little bit drier around your face, especially around the nose and mouth area and chin. And if you are on the oily side, you might be experiencing some surface dryness as well, which is in turn going to cause maybe some breakouts. So I do have a few tips for you. If you are on the drier side, you are going to want to really pack on the moisturizer, especially at night. And you're going to want to look for maybe something a little bit more rich on the moisturizer side, so it would be more into the creams. Another good option would be incorporated hyaluronic acid into your routine, and it is ideal that you are applying this hyaluronic acid to the surface of the skin when the skin is still a little bit moist. So it's ideal that you apply it maybe right after the shower where there's still moisture in the air. So what happens with hyaluronic acid is that it's going to draw the water from the atmosphere into your face. So you want to make sure that you're doing it in a moist area. Either your skin is moist or that the environment is moist. So you want to also be careful with exfoliating. So if the dryness is irritated, if it's that type of dryness where you're getting red, you're not going to want to be using a scrub on your face because that's just going to make it even worse. So if you're going to incorporate an exfoliating ingredient, you could start with a gentle exfoliating ingredient or brightening stimulating ingredient, which would be like a vitamin C. I always recommend starting at a lower percentage and then moving your way up. So if you are on the more oily, breakout prone skin, then what you're going to want to do is that you're also going to be incorporating a little bit more hydration, and you're going to want to stay on top of your exfoliator. The same thing goes with the type of breakouts that you have. If the breakouts are on the redder side or irritated side, you want to avoid scrubs, so you're going to look for an exfoliating ingredient. For acne prone skin, you could use vitamin C if you wanted to, but some of the clogged pores are going to need a little bit more help, so that's when I would start with retinol. So like always, I have a few examples for you guys. This is a perfect cleanser for drier conditions. It's going to be a creamy cleanser, so it's going to hydrate the skin while cleansing the skin. And then I had recommended vitamin C. These are two great products for vitamin C. This one's going to have aloe vera and green tea, so it's going to suit the skin at the same time. And this one would be vitamin C with hyaluronic acid, so you're killing two birds with one stone, getting your vitamin C and your hyaluronic acid at the same time. And then if you're more on the acne prone, bump prone, any congestion of the skin, then this is ideal. You're also killing two birds with one stone, since this one has four types of vitamin C and 1% retinol. Welcome to Bare Glow Skin and Body. My name is Karina. I'm the solo esthetician and massage therapist here at Bare Glow. My goal is to help you feel confident in your own skin with or without makeup. I believe that with the proper skincare, routine, service, and guidance, you could achieve your skincare goals. From clearing your acne, hyperpigmentations, or scars, or just aging gracefully, I'm here to guide you every step of the way.